Well, breaking news coming in ahead of the cabinet expansion scheduled for tomorrow. Uddhav Thackeray has proposed the name of Anil Desai for the NDA cabinet expansion, but with the condition that Maharashtra situation needs to be sorted out by today evening, or else Anil Desai will not take oath tomorrow. Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey is joining us live from the national capital. Brijesh, Uddhav Thackeray has proposed the name of Anil Desai for the NDA cabinet expansion scheduled for tomorrow, but with a precondition that Maharashtra situation needs to be sorted out. Is this an indication that the Shiv Sena and BJP are now ready to bury the hatchet?
Well, yes, it looks like, because the fact remains that, that the BJP, despite being on the stronger wicket, still made the offer of offering two cabinet berth to Shiv Sena. Because remember, when this imbroglio was going on in Maharashtra, there were talks and rumors about Anand Gite, the lone Shiv Sena minister in the cabinet, was offering to step down. So, I mean, this was considered to be a grand offer by the part of the BJP, and with Uddhav putting this particular condition that the Maharashtra condition, the Maharashtra scenario should be sorted out before Anil Desai goes ahead and takes oath as a minister in the Modi government, will definitely not sweeten the deal, and it has definitely irked the BJP leadership, who are also trying to make sure that that the situation between Shiv Sena and the BJP doesn't deteriorate to a point of no return. So the BJP leaders are calibrating, they are deciding, they're discussing this matter, but I don't see them bending or succumbing to the pressure being exerted by Shiv Sena leader Uddhav Thackeray, as they have demonstrated in the last 2 to 3 months that once they have taken a decision, and especially when somebody is threatening, then they have stuck to their course, and most likely we will see this course of action from the BJP from now onwards. Rishika?
Well, absolutely. Uddhav Thackeray, they're proposing the name of Anil Desai for the NDA cabinet expansion, but with conditions, and the politics of conditions and ultimatum definitely has not gone down well with the BJP. We've seen that in the past. Thanks, Brijesh, for joining us with that update. Going to continue to track developments on that story and a lot more on the other side of a very short break. Stay with us.